So now we're starting the machine learning process, right? And let's talk about the tool we'll use a lot for our analysis. So that's the scikit-learn library in Python. This is a very powerful machine learning tool in Python, and you can just go ahead and go to this URL, and you can see that it has a lot of details about different machine learning models. And we're looking at a classification problem. So if you go to classification, and again we're also doing a supervised learning problem, and if you go down you get to decision trees, and we're trying to understand decision trees, but you can see there's so many machine learning models. And so if you go to decision trees, you'll get a good overall explanation of what a decision tree is, a lot of details about the model. So we're going to be using the decision tree classifier for our analysis. And if you go to the decision tree classifier, you can see all the parameters that can be used in this classifier, decision tree classifier. And the explanation of all these parameters, the details of all these parameters are given. We'll talk more about these parameters later on when we fine tune. But for now, just go ahead and go to this URL and try looking at, there are examples for the decision tree also. Try to get a feeling of that. And then let's go ahead now and use the program. Like the program is again available to you, where we're going to apply the decision tree classifier and build a decision tree. And then when we get to that point, we'll start talking about these parameters in more detail. So let's do that in the next video.